Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Starline i96 on this beautiful Audi SQ7. This is the system and this is how it works. So obviously if someone was to clone your key, unlock the vehicle, try and jump in, try and start it, this is what would happen. Vehicle wouldn't start, won't start. Okay? So every time you jump in the vehicle, ignition on, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very simple. So we've done 1, 2, 3, wait for a melody, and now start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, this has the facility that if you want to change the code, this is also straightforward. So what happens is the system needs to be in a disarm state. Obviously receive your melody and then you can go through a program and procedure. And the way you do that is ignition on, insert your disarm, 1, 2, 3, receive your melody. Now go do the window button up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off. Ignition back on. You'll get 5 bleeps. Now this is now in learn mode. So we're going to do something very simple. So any button that's on the network that will work, every time we tap it will give us a bleep. I know that this one, this one, this one, this one, this one here, this one, sorry, this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one will work. So I'm going to do something simple. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, receive a melody. Now do the same push sequence again. 1, 2, 3, wait for the melody. Code is now learned. So if I now turn off the ignition, wait for about 10 seconds, wait for it to arm, then turn on the ignition and go through the new push sequence. So let's try it now. Ignition on, try our push sequence. So 1, 2, 3, get a disarm, there you go, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you can pair it up to a Bluetooth phone or a Bluetooth tag. The procedure is similar. Basically, as long as you get it in a disarm state, get your melody, then hit the, say, the driver's window up button 7 times, ignition off, ignition on, get 7 bleeps. It then makes the product discoverable and you can search for it with the app, which is called Starline Key. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.